Good evening, guys. We're in lesson 29. It's Monday. We're going to have power up F here. It's multiplication. Start with your name on the top of the page. All right, remember you should have filled out ahead of time. Now you use my video to check your answers and then get through the mental math and problem of the day. Here comes the check. 9 times 7 is 63. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. And 8 times 0 is 0. Third column. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 7 times 5 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. And 6 times 6 is 36. All right. A. We're on page 177 in your book. Lesson 29. A says, how many days are in a common year and a leap year? And that was from yesterday's lesson. The common year is 365. And remember, the leap year adds those 1/4 up, 366, and our label should be days. B says, what time is 10 minutes after 1:55 p.m.? 1:55 plus 10 minutes is 1:65. What? We can have 1:65. The highest number we can have is 1:59, and then it turns to 2 o'clock. So I say cross the 60, subtract 60. 65 minus 60 is 5, and then this 60 is 60 minutes in an hour. We regroup that. 1 plus 1 regrouper is 2:05 p.m. C. The cost is $43 one person. What's the cost for 6 people? 6 groups of $43. I don't know where we're going, but it's somewhere expensive. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 down, 1 up. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Do I need a label? Yes. $. $258. All right, letter D. It says, what's 1/2 of 50? 1/2 of 50. Remember when we do this, we're going to divide by the bottom number. Now, you should know what 1/2 of 50 cents is. That's 2 quarters, or 25. How many times 2 go to 5? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Third step, subtract. Bring down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. E. 1/10 of 50. 1/10 of 50. Divide by the bottom number. How many times 10 go into 50? 5 times. Mental math. Some of these we can do in our head. And the last one is 5/10 of 50. So we did 1/10 and came up with 5. So now we got to multiply by the top number. Divide by the bottom number. Multiply by the top number. 5 times 5 is 25. Which is interesting because this says 1/2 and 5/10 is 1/2. So you notice we came up with the same answers for D and F. All right, moving on to G. It says 1 yard is 3 feet. How many feet is 35 yards? So we got 35 yards, and each one is worth 3 feet. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. 105 what? 105 feet. and H. Let's do it across the bottom here. I'm just going to get my paper up here. 9 times 9 equals 81. Minus 1 equals 80. Divided by 2. Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so 80 divided by 2 equals 40. Plus 2, 42, divided by 6 equals 7. All right. Choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. Copy the multiplication problem and figure out the missing digits. 36 times some one-digit number equals a three-digit number. So guys, we got to think big, because we have a three-digit number here. And the last one is a 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. Down, carry the 2. Sorry, 2 down, 1 up. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 more 7. Not big enough. All right. Times 3 is 18. Times 4 is 24. Times 5 is 30. Times 6 is 36. Times 7 is 42. Maybe it's 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7 times 3 is 21. And 2 times 3 is 4, 25. Box it up. Flip it over. Divide your paper into 6 for today's lesson. Today's lesson is exciting. We're going to multiply by multiples of 10. There's only 2 examples, but in the lesson I'm going to pick 4 other places, 4 other problems to put on here. All right. God bless your day. We'll see you in the second video.